If you're ever wondering why celebrities' makeup seems to look so much better than ours, stop. I'm gonna tell you how to get that look, because I just learned about how to get this look like a couple days ago, and my makeup in the last 2 days has looked better than it has in my entire life, to be honest. I like to use a mix of celebrity makeup techniques, so I always start with underpainting with some cheek and lip stain. Key here is applying it with a brush. It'll help you blend it out without staining your fingers. I use the Etude water stain. You can get it on Amazon. It's like $6. Who needs super expensive makeup products to have celebrity caliber makeup? Not me. I say as I pull out my Lancome foundation. Ignore this. You can use whatever foundation you like to use. This just happens to be my favorite. We're not putting it directly onto our face. Onto the back of your hand. You're gonna use a foundation brush to apply it. Use the brush to apply thin layers, build up the coverage so that it looks very skin-like. I like to blend like part way up my face, letting the area where I put the blush on shine through. This gives the illusion of me having perfect skin because it looks like I'm not wearing any makeup from like right here. We're gonna spot conceal a little bit, and I like to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Under the eyes, this is a special technique. I only put the color on my orbital bone. Take your sponge and blend out along that orbital bone, kind of lightly moving up, but don't go right underneath your eye where it would be creased. Leaving the darkness there to make it look more natural, look like I don't have any concealer on under my eyes, while still making them look really bright and fresh. See, it looks so natural. Next, we're doing a bronze balm or a bronzing stick. And no, we're not gonna apply it to our face like that. Need another brush, preferably a flat little dense one. We're gonna press it into the skin. Go to part 2.